Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to adjust the tension of your Easy Claw Line Saver. In this video, we'll show you the tools you'll need and walk you through the entire process to ensure your line saver is perfectly set up for optimal performance. These are the tools you'll need: a 9/16" wrench, 9/16" socket, 3/8" wrench, 7/16" socket, and a needle nose pliers. First, unhook the 3-in-1, 4-in-1, and hydraulic lines from the Easy Claw Line Saver. Use a 9/16" wrench and socket to remove the Easy Claw Line Saver from its mounting bracket. Take off the plastic cover from the tensioner by using the 3/8" wrench and the 7/16" socket. Set the cover aside for reassembly later. Clamp the line saver in a bench vise for stability. If you don't have access to a bench vise, you can remount the line saver onto the truck bracket to hold it in place while you make the adjustment. Using needle nose pliers, grab the axle pin on the side opposite the cotter pin. Carefully remove the cotter pin, but don't release the pliers just yet. The tension will release as soon as you do. To adjust the tension, rotate the axle clockwise to increase tension or counterclockwise to decrease it. Typically, a half or full turn will do the job. Once you've achieved the desired tension, reinsert the cotter pin. Reinstall the Easy Claw Line Saver onto the truck bracket using the 9/16" wrench and socket. Reattach the line assembly to the tensioner. Make sure the rubber stopper makes proper contact with the roller when the weight of the line assembly is applied. Put the plastic cover back onto the line saver and tighten it using the 3/8" wrench and 7/16" socket. And that's it. Your Easy Claw Line Saver is now properly adjusted and reinstalled, ready for action.